the depths of the damp forests, a newborn symbiont awakens to life. Under the watchful eye of its mother, it takes its first steps into the unknown.
What makes this creature extraordinary is the living plant growing from its back. Two lives sharing one body, bound by evolution.
Surface. To feed, it grazes on roots and vegetation. But in harsh times, its bulb grants a unique gift, the ability to draw sustenance directly from other life.
Its bulb can release potent toxins, a natural deterrent born.
As seasons pass, light and nourishment awaken change. The young symbiont grows, its body and plant evolving in harmony.
Fully grown, it becomes a living ecosystem. Flowers bloom upon its back, feeding others as it once fed itself.
In rare moments of power, it ascends into its final state, a towering guardian of the forest, embodying nature's boundless strength.